Hey guys, it's Brian again with another ceiling fan video. This is a 36-inch Carroway ceiling fan from the mid-1980s. I believe 85 or 86 was the year that this fan was made. It's a 3-speed reversible fan with a ball socket mount, brown in color with oak blades with stencil. Yes, these blades do have stencil. I don't know if you can really see it that well because the light kind of washes them out. I'm going to try to get up on the ladder here so you can see it a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. You can see it a little bit. They're not faded, they're just the gold stenciling doesn't show up very well in this light, but there's the stencil for you. I don't know if you could see it a little bit better there or not. No, not really. It's in very, very good condition. It has the original bottom switch cap with the nut still in the center. There's a reverse switch. It does have the original Carroway pull chain. I got this fan from I think it was a Facebook Marketplace listing or OfferUp or something about a month ago, and it came from the original house it was installed in, and I don't remember what I paid for it, but I know it wasn't a whole lot. But yeah, it's got the original mounting bracket, original pull chain, original blades, everything. And I've actually never seen one of these in real life. I didn't even know that there were stores in the area that sold these back in the day, quite honestly. This is the first one I've ever seen out in the wild, and I wound up picking it up. I've seen videos of these on other ceiling fan collector channels. I think the first time I saw them was on Dan Newman's channel in his in-laws' basement. But yeah, this is the exact same fan. It's model EF100. It's a spinner fan, as you can see. Kind of similar to a CEC Georgian, but it has, some notable differences. The blade arms, the stencil, but very similar. Probably cost about the same back in the day. It's a pretty cool little fan. Actually a very good performing fan. This fan moves more air than I thought it would, quite honestly, although the pitch on the blades is quite surprising. So I guess when you look at it in retrospect, it's not really that surprising. So anyway, let's go ahead and fire this baby up. We're going to start with low. Normal low speed for a fan of this size. It does move a nice little gentle breeze. Has a little bit of a hum to it, but what do you expect for a more inexpensive spinner fan? You can definitely feel some air movement from it. All right, let's flip it to medium. Actually got a pretty fast medium. This is more like a high on a standard size ceiling fan. Definitely moving a good amount of air on this speed. This is a surprising little performer. And high. And it absolutely flies on high. This thing spins real fast. It has a little bit of a wobble to it, but that's kind of typical for something of this nature. But it is absolutely cranking out air. I'm actually kind of surprised, like I said. A very good performing fan. Shut her down. Do a spin down with the motor. Bearings are good. They make absolutely no noise. Yeah, for a more inexpensive spinner fan, it's actually got a pretty decent spin down time. So yeah, that's my 36-inch Carroway ceiling fan model EF100. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.